and welcome back to Therapy Resource Network, or welcome if you're new. My name is Alyssa, and today in this presentation, we are going to be going over some developmental activities that you can do to encourage crawling and walking with your baby. How to encourage reaching and crawling. Tummy time is a great activity to help baby start developing strength and also give baby a change of scenery. Setting up tummy time in front of a mirror keeps baby interested and encourages baby to prop themselves up and start lifting their head. Place baby's toys just outside of reach to motivate baby to move and reach for them. Spend less time seated in a car seat and a stroller. And help baby practice rolling over. Once they are able to roll, they will become much more mobile. Hold baby in a crawling position to help them begin to develop core and upper body strength. Once baby is able to prop themselves up on all fours, roll around a ball to encourage baby to start crawling. Any activity that gets baby standing and moving around helps to work on balance. Activities such as catching and popping bubbles, crawling over different objects, and freestands are fun and excellent ways to improve balance. Make a tightrope out of a jump rope and encourage baby to walk across one foot in front of the other, making sure to offer support so they don't tip over. You can also create an obstacle course by placing different objects on the floor to walk and balance over, such as pillows, cushions, rolled up blankets, etc. Thanks for listening in on my presentation all about developmental activities for crawling and walking. Make sure to come back soon and keep up with Therapy Resource Network to find out more tips and tricks that you can be working on at home.